Phew! What is it, Flapjack? Huh? Show yourself! Oh. Wait, don't get... Whoa, easy! I mean you no harm, buddy. I'll just be sitting here. Look, I want to help you. I know you're scared, but you're probably mistreated by someone you once looked up to. It's hard to trust other people after that, I know. I've been there. There are bad people out there, but there are also people who won't make you feel disposable. People who appreciate you for who you are and give you all the love you deserve. Pretty sure you will find a true home. 'Cause I did. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you do. Come on, Mrs. Nozetto will patch you up. Good boy.